Welcome back, traders, and if you're new here, I'm Susie, and this is the MomentumStockTraders.com Small Account Challenge 3.0, the blueprint. And this is where I help day traders like you grow small accounts with strategic, disciplined trades. Today we're breaking down a textbook reversal trade, which is a setup from the 200 EMA as the main reversal signal. This is one of my go-to strategies for reversal trading. And in this video, I'll show you how I turned $2,025 into $3,141.84 in just under 3 hours of trading, ticker symbol WKEY. Wikey. But first, let's take a quick moment and update you on my small account challenge progress. As of today, December 16th, 2024, after my 5th trade in this challenge series, my account balance stands at $3,142.13. That's over 6 times my starting balance of $500, with a total percentage gain of 528.43%. Now, let's dive into the details of this trade and uncover the actionable insights that you can apply to your own trading strategy. So at 5:51 a.m. my time, and I'm in the Mountain Time, my Discord alert system flagged Wikey as a potential setup for the day. It immediately caught my eye because of some unusual pre-market action. Wikey had made a quick 31% gain during pre-market trading before selling down below the 200 EMA. This initial spike showed significant interest, but the sell-off set us up for a potential 200 EMA reclaim and reversal setup. Between 6 a.m. and 7 a.m., I noticed that the 200 EMA had flattened out at $8.80. This was a critical signal for me because when the EMA flattens out like this, it often becomes a magnet for price action. I told my Discord members to be looking for an entry above the 200 EMA if Wikey reclaimed this level with strong buyer volume. The stock was still showing strong pre-market volume, a key ingredient for a successful reversal setup. These factors aligned perfectly for a high probability trade, and I shared with my Discord members exactly what I was looking for. A clear 200 EMA reclaim followed by strong buyer confirmation, and a roadmap of smart target levels. So let's talk about the 200 EMA setup and why it's such a powerful tool for reversal trading. The 200 EMA, or exponential moving average, acts as a dynamic support or resistance level. For Wikey, the pre-market sell-off below the 200 EMA set the stage for a potential reversal. A 200 EMA reclaim would indicate that buyers had regained control, signaling a trend change. And here's why the 200 EMA is so critical. It's a psychological barrier. Traders often view the 200 EMA as a major trend indicator. So price action around this level reflects shifts in the market sentiment. A successful test or reclaim of the 200 EMA indicates a transition from a downtrend to an uptrend, making it an ideal entry point for reversal trades. Now, using the 200 EMA as your initial stop loss ensures that you're trading with clear, defined risk. For Wikey, the flat EMA at $8.80 during pre-market made it the critical level to watch. So my game plan was to wait for price to reclaim that $8.80 and prove it as support before considering an entry. At 7:27 a.m., just before opening bell, Wikey gave us the exact setup we were looking for. Price reclaimed the 200 EMA at $8.80 with strong buyer volume, confirming the reversal. This was the signal to act on. Now remember, because I'm currently doing a small account challenge, my available capital to trade with today was $2,025. So I entered the trade with 227 shares at $8.92, risking 15 cents per share with a stop loss just below the 200 EMA. My high target was $13.60 to $14, which aligned with key resistance levels on the daily chart. And here's why this setup worked so well. Price proved $8.80 as support, showing that buyers had regained control. Buyer volume surged, as price held above that 200 EMA, confirming the strength of the reversal. Using the Smart Target tool that I give my members, we had clear profit targets mapped out in advance. With my stop loss below $8.80, I had minimal downside risk relative to the potential reward. This setup is a textbook example of how patience and preparation lead to high quality entries. Once I was in the trade, it was all about managing risk and letting the trade develop. And here's how I managed the trade setup, step by step. My initial stop loss was at $8.77, which is just below the 200 EMA. This ensured minimal risk if the setup failed. As price reached each Smart Target, I moved my stop loss to those levels and used them as kind of a trailing stop. For example, when price hit $9.30, my stop loss was $9.30. At $10.40, my stop loss moved to that price. This strategy allowed me to ride the trend while protecting my gains. My ultimate target was $13.60 to $14, which was a strong resistance zone that I noticed on the daily chart. So I stayed disciplined and didn't sell early, even as price pulled back slightly between these levels. By 9:53 a.m., Waikiki hit my first major target of $13.60, and I stayed with the trade, watching momentum closely as price approached $14. At 10:08 a.m., price tagged my $14 target, but momentum was fading at that point. My initial plan was to sell at $14, but due to the weaker momentum, my sell order filled at $13.84. This resulted in a profit of $1,116.84 in just 2 hours and 42 minutes. This trade showcases the power of a well-structured plan. And the 200 EMA was the cornerstone of the setup. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to trading reversals using the 200 EMA. This strategy allowed me to turn $2,025 into $3,141.84 in just one morning and in just one trade. And now my small account is up over 528% since this challenge began just 5 trades ago. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any future uploads. Also, let me know in the comments, have you used the 200 EMA reversal strategy before? What's your favorite strategy for spotting reversals? And if you're ready to take your trading to the next level and become a more profitable day trader, consider joining MomentumStockTraders.com, where members get full access to the AI momentum alerts in Discord, full use of the Smart Target tool that automatically plots all of our smart targets on our chart for us, and also daily deep dives into strategies, setups, alerts, and personal one-on-one mentoring from me. So until next time, stay disciplined, trade smart, and let the 200 EMA be your guide all the way.